One of the things that working with an enlightened master, joining the pioneering group for the path of enlightenment, is the factor of what I might call the fierce vulnerability, the fearless intimacy, if you will, when all of the walls come down by choice, by willingness, and through the presence of love. To be full in our lovingness, all of the walls must come down, and to attain enlightenment, all of the attachments must enter the mercy of annihilation to become the ashes of your awakening, the ashes of a new beginning. And so to join together with this very special group for this very rare opportunity and privilege at this time in our planet's history is where all the walls come down, dear one. The defenses are a thing of the past, and the bonds that you form with me, with the other members in the group, with yourself, with the path, with your mandates, and with the spiritual hierarchy itself, the lineages of the masters that especially call you as a soul, you as a monad, you as a master self, and ultimately you as the awakened avatar logos, the full awakening, the flowering not just of self-realization, beloveds, but the flowering of omni-mastery, the mastery that ever responds, the mastery that is ever innovative, the mastery that is always in the ever-perfecting perfection of bestowing its grace upon this world, the need and calling of this world being such a screaming roar, if you will, the suffering, the strife, the hardship, the confusion, the desperation and the despair, if you will. It is this that the outflow of enlightenment will be blessed, will be sanctified, will be consecrated with each and every gateway that we enter together, where all the walls are down, dear one, because they are down within yourself. It is that pure vibration of your naked core humanity, that your essence of spirituality will be in like vibration with the gateways and corridors of time that open and release you from the temporal state of consciousness altogether. And so as I begin to welcome the new brave souls that are joining in this delectable path of gold, I invite you to gloriously, magnificently, truly celebrate the dropping of all the walls and to allow that utter intimacy where you are no longer self-conscious about the brilliance of your own light, but rather you are enjoying it as the light that is the essence of oneness within us all. As the walls come down within yourself, as they truly are annihilated to the perfecting sacred ashes of that which is understood as the metamorphous of the temporal to the celestial. It is then that we ignite a new beginning for the whole of humanity. And may the walls come down everywhere, all over the world. First with yourself and your own heart, then between one another, and then with every soul across the face of our planet. May all the walls come down. And it is to this annihilation, this holy annihilation of defense walls and the fear of intimacy, of true spiritual intimacy, that I celebrate, that I offer, that I welcome this glorious path of gold. As you immerse, so too are you absorbed. Allow the defenselessness of full divine absorption, and you will begin to understand, to receive, to immerse in what the path of enlightenment truly is. And so I welcome you to the unity, the delectable unity that is that which we have ever been and shall ever be.